Just like that, we are done. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And as you can see, we're in the freaking Mustang and we're at work. That can only mean one thing: more car parts. Going broke by the second, but that's fine. So we're gonna get inside and get you guys set up, and we will see what today's video is all about. So I'll see you guys in there. All right, guys, we're in the shop. As you can see, we have a box, but not just any box. A box I've been waiting for. It was kind of a pain in the butt to get, to be honest, but oh, buddy, we got Euro taillights. So today, we're going to show you guys how to install these. So I'll see you guys once I get you guys set up. In comparison to the old ones, these are tinted, and the car is dirty, so forgive that, but the tint's peeling, it's just beat to shit. But these are going to look way better. I'm super excited. So let me guys get you set up on the mount real quick, and then we will get this thing started. Alright guys, well, as you can see, they're in, but this has been a couple weeks later. I went over my footage and my audio was garbage. I think I finally fixed the problem though, but I'm just going to redo this section for you so you guys know what the hell you're doing when it comes to taking these things out. So, you're going to have one, would normally have two, normally have 3 and 4 of these screw guys. I'm going to take these out. Like I said, normally 4. For me, I got 2. You're gonna move those to the side, and then this is gonna pull back on both sides. Pull that up and forward, and then you can move it out of the way. And then you're gonna want to take that out with a fork tool. And then once you take that out, you can kind of access it a little better. But you can see you got one bolt here, which is a 10mm. Same here, and then there is a third one in the back, which I'm not sure if you can see. I'm pointing right at it. My hand's probably in the way, but yeah, there's 3 of those, and then you'll have that main connector right here. Don't mind all my goofy wiring for my extra light down there, but yeah, once you get those 3 out, the sucker will pop right out and you'll be good. So now that we got that part fixed, I will see you guys on the old footage. Alrighty, as you can see, she's all loosey-goosey. So now, just gotta pull her out. And then you got that grommet back there, so you're gonna pop that grommet out and then she'll come right out. So let me go ahead and do that before I scratch my car up. Alright guys, as you can see, taillight's out. I just got done cleaning all that up. And here's the old taillight. Now this, you have to move over, but it just has a series of clips. You're just going to want to pull up with some sort of pry tool of some sort and then move it over and you're good to go. So mine, I'm trying to figure out the wiring because I have that reverse light that's also like a 4th brake light, so I got to figure that out on my own. But for you guys, literally just slap it in there, switch over that trim panel, and you're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it in there now, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Oh buddy, you can't tell me that doesn't look better than that. Jeez, this car just got a whole lot more sexy. Oh buddy. Okay guys, first you're gonna take your fork tool, you're gonna pop this guy right off. That gives you access to the back bolt back there. I'll try to do my best to do this one-handed. And then this plug right here, you're gonna push down and pull that out like that. And then literally after that, it's just boom, boom, and boom. Third one's right back here. I don't know if you can see that right there. You're gonna take a 10mm socket and some sort of, I prefer electric because I'm a Milwaukee horse. And boom, just like that. All three of them are removed. Sometimes you give the studs a little push. And you're going to pull on that. And boom, out comes your taillight. Now this would be the time to clean up all of the garbage that likes to sit back here, like I did on the other side off camera. So get microfiber towel, some sort of cleaning solution. I just use quick detail. And then literally you just throw the new one in, plug it in, put your 3 bolts in, and call it a day. Other than you gotta switch over that plastic piece, which I showed you before. But yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly throw all this together, and then I'll show you the final product. Okay, last step before I switch them over. So we're gonna stick this in here, pry this plastic piece off. I'm trying to do this one-handed so you can actually see what the hell I'm doing, which is proving difficult. But yeah, you get the point. And then again, you can clean this up. As you see, I got nasty crap on it. So clean that up, put it on the new one, slap the new one in, and we'll be right there in a second. All right, guys, and just like that, we are done. Look how killer that looks. Holy crap. I've been wanting these taillights for so freaking long. I mean, just look at it, dude.
You know, when I see a car like this, first thing I do is I say, would you look at this? You know what I mean?
Yes. Woo -hoo. Bloody. I am happy with that. Well, that's about it for the video, guys. I hope you found it some way helpful. It's pretty easy. Any basic idiot can figure it out. Hell, I figured it out. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.